We will see conditions in purchasing. Conditions are agreements with vendors about prices, surcharges and discounts. Suppose we have a requirement for material M100 and we have sent an RFQ to the supplier. What the supplier will do? He will specify what is the gross price, what is the discount on gross, and what will be the surcharge, what will be the freight for the material we are going to procure from the supplier. So conditions can be maintained in quotations, info records, outline agreements. Outline agreements means contracts or scheduling agreement, and we can maintain conditions in purchase orders also. Net and effective price in purchasing document are determined based on these conditions. You can also store general conditions at vendor level. System then pulls these conditions for price determination. Where we can maintain conditions, we can maintain condition quotation. Just now we have seen in the previous video where we maintain conditions from the suppliers. In the RFQ, we have maintained the quotation. Purchase order we have created, and purchase order the conditions are defaulted from the purchasing info record, and we retain those conditions. So those conditions apply for the purchase order. Info record also we maintain conditions. Outline agreement, contract or scheduling agreement, we can maintain the conditions. Conditions in a contract apply to contract release orders. Suppose we have created a contract and we are creating a purchase order with reference to contract. Then the contract conditions are adapted to the purchase order. This kind of purchase order is called contract release order. Conditions in purchasing info record apply to all purchase order items that contain material and vendor in the purchasing info record. General conditions also we can maintain irrespective. It's not referring to purchase order, info record, contract, quotation, scheduling agreement. So special offer we can maintain as a general condition. Conditions are two types: time dependent condition, time independent condition. Time dependent conditions have a validity. Time independent condition does not have validity, and validity of the time independent condition is that of the particular purchasing document. Now purchase order conditions are time independent, and quotation, outline agreement, info record, general conditions are time dependent. There is a special case where quotation and scheduling agreement, the time dependencies can be controlled by document type. So with document type, you can control whether time dependent conditions are available for quotation and schedule agreement. In customizing, we have to set this indicator that I will demonstrate. So now let us see each one. We'll go to system demonstration. We'll go to purchasing. First, we'll see the master data, that is purchasing info record. For this supplier, material and purchasing organization PUR1, plant PL01, the conditions of purchase valid this period from and to, and the gross price this 8 euros, discount on net 10%, freight is 1 euro per piece. So purchasing info record conditions are time dependent because it has validity. Okay, it has validity. Next, we'll go to purchase order. We'll go to purchase order. We'll close this info record. We'll go to purchase order. 23 display purchase order. So this purchase order we have created with reference to we have created this purchase order. The conditions are copied from the info record. Can you see gross price 8 euros, discount 10%. Okay. So let us see that the conditions are copied from the info record. We can see the info record. I will click this info record. Yeah, from these conditions, the conditions are copied to the the conditions are copied to the purchase order, but these conditions of the purchase order valid until the purchase order is delivered. Okay, then we will see contract. Purchase order we have seen contract and quotation. Contract, quotation. Okay, outline agreement, contract, display contract, purchasing organization PUR1. We'll see what is the contract we have. OL is for selection. Plant is there. L01 plant material is M100. So we have one contract. Contract is MK. This is the contract. Okay. Let us see the contract. So we maintain the conditions. If you see the conditions, we can see here. See the condition, it has validity from valid to, and these are the conditions of purchase. So we have seen in the contract also time dependent conditions. And I told you time dependency is maintained. Time dependency is maintained through the document type. We'll open another session. For contract and scheduling, for quotation and scheduling agreement. Let me see. Now we'll go to, I'll demonstrate that. The contract we have seen, scheduling agreement we'll see. Scheduling agreement also we created in the previous. Material M100. This is the scheduling agreement. You can see the scheduling agreement. The conditions of purchase we have seen here. Conditions of purchase we have seen here. Can you see it has valid from valid to this. And what is the document type for this scheduling agreement? LP. We'll go to another session. We'll see that SPRO controls, document type controls whether time dependent conditions can be maintained in quotation and scheduling agreement. So purchasing, and then we have to go to purchase scheduling agreement, define document types. What is the document type? LP we used, correct? If you see LP, scroll to the right. Can you see time dependent conditions can be maintained for which document type? LP. So that is why we could able to maintain time dependent conditions in agreement type LP. Okay. Time dependent condition. Who is controlling? Document type controls the time dependency in scheduling agreement. Quotation we'll see. Quotation. So we have seen contract, scheduling agreement. Quotation we'll see. Outline agreement we'll see. Yeah, just now we have created display. We have to see quotation. Quotation we have to see. Okay, this quotation. If you will select this, okay, conditions it has validity. Time dependency. Who is controlling time dependency for quotation? Document type. That we'll see. Request for quotation RFQ document types. This is scheduling agreement, and we have so we see RFQ quotation, define document types. What is the document type we have used? We have used the document type AN. For AN, what is time dependency selected? Yes. For AN document type, time dependency is selected. So that is why we could able to maintain the time dependent conditions. Okay, time dependent conditions for document type AN. Okay, so we have completed that. Then general conditions. General conditions, purchasing, master data, general conditions, here messages, condition, sorry, master data, for materials management, purchasing, master data, conditions, general overview. Okay, MEKA. So for purchasing one, for this supplier, what is the discount he is giving? He is giving 12% discount from this date to this date. Okay, so if you put this here, display also we can go in display mode also. This is display mode. How much discount? 12% discount he is giving. So 12% discount, how we can see? Just let us create a purchase order. It will add discount. How we can see? We can see here. Go to purchase order, create one purchase order. The 12% general discount will come. Supplier is 110000. We have to give purchasing organization, purchasing group. Okay. Okay. So and then give M100 quantity. The amount you get, can you see 12% is before entering plant itself we derived because it is general condition, right? If you are procuring from supplier, this supplier is giving extra discount 12% for the validity. Okay. Okay. So PO quantity 100, plant is PL01. If you look at this, if you look at this, if you look at this, you can see the discount RL01. Can you see? Click this condition record, it will show the same. Okay, what we maintained in the general conditions. With this, we complete conditions in SAP MM. Please like, share, and subscribe.